Everyone, Michelle Unger here with Quality PC Training, and I am the lead facilitator here at Quality PC Training. Wanted to jump on and give you a sneak preview of an upcoming workshop that we are going to be presenting live on March 13th, 2025 at 1 p.m. So this is going to be a 90-minute workshop. It's perfect for people who are beginning with Excel or those who need to just brush up on Excel after being away from it for a while. So I'm going to show you a little sneak peek. Great. So first off, I wanted to tell you what we're going to be covering. We are going to do an introduction of Excel. Then we're going to move into some simple formulas. We're going to next go to complex formulas, relative and absolute cell references, and then finish up with functions. So as I stated, this is a live instructor-led workshop. It's perfect for somebody who is just beginning in Excel or somebody who's time crunched and doesn't have time for a full class. It will get you up to speed quickly. We're also going to have practice files, so you'll be working hands-on with me as we go through the course. So I just wanted to show you just a quick little overview of something we'll be covering, which is creating some simple formulas. So I have my summer budget and paper inventory here, and I've got things kind of set up. Wanted to show you how to just do a simple calculation to figure out the total cost. So you would be multiplying your quantity times your price per unit. So if I click right here in cell G7, that's where I'm going to have my result show up. I'm going to type in my equal sign. Next, I'm going to go ahead and type in E7, which is the address for the quantity for cups. Multiplication is going to be my operator, so I'm going to use the asterisk key on the keyboard, and then I'm going to multiply that by F7. So that is a simple way to do a simple calculation. You use your equal sign and your cell references with an operator. You'll also notice the color coding, which helps you figure out exactly what you are doing. So the last step is to press enter, and that is our total. So thanks everyone. Hopefully we'll see you sign up. The information is right in the chat about how to sign up, right in the comments actually. And we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.